We've got Cynful stuffed cheeseburgers today. Start out by mixing all of the first 7 ingredients together and get them really well mixed. So now we're going to go ahead and do our onions first. Put some butter in a pan, add your onions, and we're going to do this low and slow. So you're going to put them on a low heat and you're going to cook them very slowly. This is going to take a while. Meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and make our burgers. So we're going to take about a cup of the meat mixture and we're going to roll it into a big meatball, flatten it out, and then I'm going to use a cup measure to make a divot in the center and kind of build the sides up around it, and then kind of push it down to give it a little bit more towards the edges, so you thicken those edges a little bit. Then we're going to take about a half a cup of the meat mixture, make a smaller burger to put on top, and then put some cheese in that divot that we made in the bigger one. Put that smaller one on top, and then we're going to kind of mess with it to seal it, so pull it down, that type of stuff. But we want a good seal on it. And we're going to cook these in butter, so about, a tablespoon, maybe 2 of butter right in there. Now I'm doing these one at a time because they're so big. But anyway, we want a good sear on both sides. And once you've got that, then we're going to, on all of your burgers, we're going to make about 4. Then we're going to put all 4 back in the pan. And pop a top on it. And we're going to lower the temperature to about medium to medium high. Going back to the onions, they've cooked down quite a bit. We're going to go ahead and add our steak sauce and just let them finish. And that's all there is to it. Once those burgers are cooked to 145 degrees internal temperature, they're done. You can build your burger, put the onions on top, call it a day. The recipe's in the video description, but here it is anyway, just for you to look at. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for some great stuffed cheeseburgers. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.